Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this video is about how to turn on direct messages on TikTok. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner of your screen. And now select the three-dash menu icon given at top right corner of your screen. And go to Settings and Privacy. Now select the privacy option, scroll down, and now select direct messages option. Here you can manage your messages settings. Select the direct messages and then choose the option that you want for your direct messages. And it's done. Now your direct messages is turned on for everyone. So everyone, that's how you turn on direct messages on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.